Kiko siya.
One short flight today, 2 hours 16 minutes is the planned flying time at a final cruise altitude of 32,000 feet. We'll change that if we need to keep it just as smooth as we can here for you today. We just came from Atlanta, nice weather down there. Right now they've got just scattered clouds, good visibility, temperature 81 degrees, and the winds out of the east at about 10 miles an hour. It's real nice having you with us. We'll be underway shortly.
Please direct your attention to the screens for a brief presentation the safety features of our Airbus A321 aircraft, and if a video monitor is not working, please notify the center.
Welcome aboard, and thank you for flying with Delta. We are the first U.S. airline to reach the 100-year mark.
For 100 years and counting.
Delta Airlines. The health and safety of our customers and crew is our #1 priority, and the shared responsibility of everyone on board. So, before we depart, please pay attention to this important message. Stow all carry-on items in an overhead bin, and place smaller items completely under the seat in front of you.
Larger electronic devices must be placed in a bag. Handheld portable electronic devices, including mobile phones, should also be secured.
Keep the aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas clear. If you lose an electronic device in your seat, please do not adjust your seat and ask the crew member for help.
As we leave the gate, fasten your seatbelt by inserting the metal tip into the buckle and adjusting the strap so it's low and tight across your lap.
There are 8 exits on this plane, 8 doors, 4 on each side. 4 doors have detachable slides that can be used as ramps. An additional ramp is located in an overhead bin in the middle of the plane. In the event of an evacuation, leave all bags behind. Carry-on baggage will slow the evacuation.
Be sure to adjust your own mask before helping others.
A water evacuation is also unlikely, but just in case, like best out of compartment or adjacent to your seat, please remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then opening the pouch. Slip the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, attach it to the buckle in front, and adjust securely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the
installed until the captain has turned off that seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins as items may have shifted during landing, and please ensure you have all your personal belongings before deplaning. We invite you to use a Flight Delta app for important baggage and connection information on your future Delta flights. We receive an email asking you to share your feedback. We do value your feedback and use your responses to improve your future travel experiences. On behalf of this, Orlando and Boston-based crew, thank you for choosing Delta and helping us celebrate our centennial anniversary. For those of you whose final destination is Atlanta, looks like we're arriving to gate T as in Tango 4, T as in Tango 4. Flight attendants, please disarm doors for arrival cross-check and all call.